Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to open TikTok in mute. To prevent users from being startled by the audio, TikTok has now released a new feature that allows users to open the app on mute and then turn the volume back up when they want to. Now let's get started. Now firstly, open the TikTok application on your device. Now from here, tap on the profile at the bottom right of your screen. Now from here, tap on the three lines at the top right of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be able to see four options at the bottom of your screen. Now from there, tap on settings and privacy option at the bottom of the menu. Now once you're in settings and privacy, you will be able to see content and display section. Now in the content and display section, you have to tap on playback option, and there you will be able to see two options on your screen. Now in order to open TikTok on mute, you have to tap on the slider, and when it turns into blue, your TikTok will open on mute. Now close the TikTok app, and once you're in your home screen, open up your TikTok application. Once you open your TikTok, you will be able to see this type of mute icon on your screen. Now that's how easily and quickly you can open your TikTok in mute. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.